Hello everyone, my name is Kemal Pederzade and I am leader of Group 18 for MyADA group work. In this video, we would discuss digital addiction. Um, and also, if we would speak about the main challenge that we faced throughout doing this group assignment, the main challenge was that we unfortunately couldn't gathered together in campus to discuss our group project. Also, it would be seen throughout the video that some guys um, did their speech in campus, some of them out of campus. But luckily, we managed to do fully our group work. I would like to thank all of my group members for their contribution, as they did really great job. So for contribution wise, Mehdi Yaryev, Mehdi Hüseyinov, and Nihat Hüseyinov was responsible to find credible sources for our topic, and also Raman Miragaev. For for preparing presentation, our girls, Aiza Taghieva, Raya Mehmet Taghieva, and Fatima Rzaeva was responsible. So yeah.
Smartphones are everywhere. They help us, but also take a lot of our time. Most people check their phones hundreds times a day. This constant use can affect our relationship, productivity, and focus. But the real question is, do we control our phones or do they control us?
Today I want to talk about digital addiction. Digital addiction is today's one of the most global problems among society, among people. Digital addiction is not just about number of hours we spend on our smartphones or tablets. It is really about how they control us. We are losing control of ourselves. Um, Psychologists call it problematic smartphone use. It has real effects on our daily lives. It can increase anxiety, our sleep cycles, disturb our sleep cycles, and make us harder to concentrate on our daily works. There are several terms referring to this problem, such as nomophobia. It refers to the fear of being without your phone. Additionally, doom scrolling refers to the scrolling endlessly without taking any breaks. Overall, this addiction is becoming widespread um, and it helps us researching this problem helps us to recognize our problems and take steps to have healthier digital use.
Teenagers spend 46 hours every day outside of school checking their phones 50 to 100 times per day, with screen time exceeding the TV in many countries. Excessive phone use can harm mental health, disrupt sleep, lower academic performance, and reduce attention.
Phones are so addictive because they are designed to keep us hooked. Apps use engineered features like constant notification that create urgency and variable reward such as likes, comments, and surprises that trigger dopamine similar to how slot machines work. Endless scrolling makes it harder to stop because there is no natural endpoint. Tech experts like Tristan Harris from the Center for Humane Technology call this attention economy, where companies profit when we can't look away. There are also clear signs that you might be addicted. You reach for your phone the moment you wake up. You scroll during meals, study sessions, or conversations, and you feel anxious or even empty without it. Maybe you have even tried to cut down, but couldn't. Recognizing these signs help us understand how much control our phones really have our attention.
Now I would like to focus on the consequences of digital addiction. These consequences affect every part of our lives. Emotionally, we suffer from stress, loneliness, and damaging social comparisons. Physically, we suffer from eye strain, poor posture, and critically, disrupted sleep, which prevents our bodies and minds to recharge. Socially, the irony is that more screen time leads to less genuine conversations. We replace face-to-face conversations with notifications, leading to weaker, more superficial relationships. And finally, for our work, the academic toll is that focus, procrastination, and eventually burnout is caused by digital addiction. We are sacrificing our ability to concentrate for instant digital gratification. All in all, digital addiction isn't just a habit, it's a drain out on our mental health, our physical health, and also our futures. Recognizing these consequences is the essential first step to taking back control.
So, as I mentioned earlier, our biggest challenge was that not all of our team members managed to come together and discuss the project. Unfortunately, this challenge also affected when we would prepare this video, as not all of our team members managed to send their videos with their speech on the given deadline. So the last two slides would be presented by me. So if we would like to take control of our phone use, we can start with small but realistic steps. For example, if we would create no phone zones inside our house, like in the bedroom or in the dining table, it would significantly reduce our phone usage. Also, the usage of built-in tools inside our phones, such as digital well-being or screen time, would also help us to see how much time we spend using our phones. So it would create concerns inside us. So it would help to reduce usage of our phones. Also, if we would additionally, we can also schedule short phone-free periods. For example, if we would manage to not use our phones 1 hour a day, it would be more than enough to reduce our addictiveness to phones. Also, using grayscale mode, which turns off all apps inside our phones white and black, would also reduce their attractiveness and in conclusion, also reduce our phone usage. And also, we would like to give you a challenge for you to try 1 week of mindful phone usage and see how it changes your phone usage habits. On a larger scale, schools can promote digital balance. Parents can model healthy habits. Tech companies can design more ethically their apps. And governments can support digital literacy programs, which can help to reduce phone usage. In conclusion, smartphones are very powerful and very useful tools, but they are designed to capture our attention, not our well-being. When overused, they can negatively affect our focus, sleep, and mental health, especially among young people like us. The good news is that small, mindful changes of our phone use can really change everything. Even short breaks from our phones can improve our mood and concentration. The goal isn't to quit technology, but to use it effectively, intentionally, instead of letting it control us.